Want to pay off your mortgage faster and save thousands in interest? Welcome back to Harmony Mortgages. I'm Karan, licensed mortgage specialist in Alberta, and we are diving into benefits of bi-weekly mortgage payments. We will explore how this strategy can help you pay off your mortgage faster with significant interest savings. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Imagine this scenario. Tom and Sean both decide to buy houses worth $500,000. They each put down 10%, resulting in mortgage amounts of $450,000 by securing an average interest rate of 3% for a 25-year term. Tom selected for a bi-weekly payment plan. Instead of making one monthly payment of $2,130, he makes half payments of $1,065 every 2 weeks. This results in 26 half payments per year, which is equivalent to 13 full payments instead of 12. Over the 25-year term, Tom will make 650 bi-weekly payments. Tom will pay off his mortgage in approximately 22 and a half years and will save around $27,000 in interest. Sean, on the other hand, sticks with traditional boring monthly payment plan. He makes 300 monthly payments of $2,130 over the 25-year term. By choosing the bi-weekly payment plan, Tom not only pays off his mortgage faster but also saves a significant amount on interest compared to Sean. It's a simple change but can make a huge difference. To summarize, bi-weekly mortgage payments can help you to pay off your mortgage faster. By making bi-weekly payments, you make an extra payment each year, which can reduce a 25-year mortgage term to approximately 22 and a half years. It will also save thousands of dollars in interest. By paying down the principal faster, you are paying less interest over the life of the loan. In our example, Tom saves around $27,000 in interest compared to a traditional monthly payment plan. At last but not least, by reducing your principal balance faster, you increase your home equity at a quicker pace. This not only strengthens your financial position but also helps you build wealth and create a legacy for your children. Most people's mortgages are renewing in 2025 and 26. If you think affordability is not an issue for you and you want to take advantage of this strategy, feel free to connect with us at Harmony Mortgages. Believe me, you won't regret it. And stay tuned for our next video where we will discuss the benefits of 30-year amortization plan. Thank you.